Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can create one package in Java. To create one package we have to use the package keyword followed by the name of the package. Like an example, we can create one package mypack, so we have to write package followed by mypack, and this line of statement will create one package called mypack. Now to add classes to that package, then that package statement has to be the first line of statement of the program, and below that, so we can have class A and class B below that package statement. Then both of the class A and class B will be added to the package called mypack. So now we're gonna see how we can compile and create one package using the CMD. So first we have the statement java c followed by -d, and then the destination location, and after that we have the source java file. Like an example, first we have the java c, then -d, and the destination is the location where the class file will be stored after compilation. So this can be dot, and the dot will represent the current folder directory, and then the name of the source file, this can be test.java. So in this line of statement, the source file test.java will be compiled, and the compiled class file will be stored inside one package called mypackage within the current folder directory. So in this example program we have one class called test. Now to put that class inside one package, the first line of statement has to be the package statement followed by the name of the package. So I'm gonna create one package called mypack. So the first line of statement is the package called mypack. That means the class test will be stored inside the package mypack. Now to compile and create that package, we have to write java c followed by -d and then the destination folder. I want the package to be created in the current directory, so I'm gonna use dot, and then the name of the source file, so I'm gonna write test.java. And you can see in the current directory there is a folder created called mypack, and inside that folder the class file test.class has been stored. So to create one package in Java, first you have the package keyword followed by the name of the package, and then we can compile and create that package by using the command prompt, and this way we have created that package in the current directory. So this is the way we can create one package in Java. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.